Good morning. Welcome back to Layden Dugout Outdoors. We're heading out onto Donner Lake today to do a little bit of kokanee fishing. We've got just about 2 hours, so we're going to spend it down in China Cove, seeing what we can pull up before we have to head home. We'll see you out on the lake. Scott, give me the good word of the day today.
I think he's off.
That is not
the biggest kokanee I ever had.
I see.
He's on there.
I was just gonna say.
Oh, he's off. Dude. Dude, something's up, dude.
All right, we've had 2 hits. One on red lammy, one on Paulina Peak. Both running pink micro shrimp. Scott was at 25 feet, 35 feet, and I was at 45 feet. So they're down there. Soft little mouths, we lost both of them. Still looking for the first meat in the box. Stand by.
Oh.
Just like that, red lammy's on.
This guy is definitely on there, feels on there better. Oh no.
I feel like I see it shaking now.
He's still there.
Ill-advised in there. Big kid just tried a boat flip. That did not work.
Dude, I don't like this. There we go, baby. Come on. All right, baby. Come on. Talk to me. Feel ya.
All right. We're 0 for 3. Can we get a fish in the box
Try and
on this trip? I caught
Dude, I think I just lost him.
5 trout yesterday. We got to go multi-species.
Sort of.
Feel like we might need the net this time, big kid. Oh, he's off. Just like that, dude. 0 for 4.
Scott loses fish. Dude.
Red lammy. Red lammy's got. All right, we got fish number 5 on the line. I'm gonna add up how many we got in the boat. 0. All right, so the math is done. We are 0 for 5. We are like Rafi Devers right now, starting out. Come on.
Dude.
That's 0 for 6.
It's a... Dude,
I'm starting to lose track.
All right, baby. Come on. What am I doing wrong, Ross? Walk me through it.
All right.
Walk me through it.
I like the way this looks. Commentate.
Okay, the fish is on.
I see that rod movement. We have got.
The rod is moving. I'm gonna go net.
We need the net.
I'm gonna go to the net.
This is a practice.
Can you come forward and get the net?
No. It's practice solo mission.
And
it's off. I saw him just pop off right there.
I mean, because I stopped and hesitated. Ducking and weaving like during a catch. Oh. Buddy.
Dude, on the golden eagle?
Real.
Dude, how does golden eagle hit?
On there? Hang on, I gotta adjust the GoPro.
Coming up on the weight. Coming up on the weight. I don't feel it. Oh yeah, there he is. I don't want to put a lot of pressure on you, but there's a lot. This is a high pressure situation right here.
He's still on there, he's swimming right at it. Good, just scoop him up. Scoop him up. I'm not giving you a slow down. Scoop him up.
Yeah!
We needed that fish.
Skunk.
We needed that guy. That's a good looking fish too. Woo-wee.
Dude, welcome to the club.
Welcome to the club. Oh, dude, Scott, give me the word of the day.
Dude, abundance.
The skunk is off.
Dude, goddamn skunky McSkunkerton. Dude, on the ghetto rig out the back.
Dude, Golden Eagle saves us.
Oh yeah, this guy wasn't coming off either.
Worse.
Oh, fish on, dude.
Shut up.
Dude, he's on there. Here, can you reel it and I'll do the weight?
Is it going to be a trout?
I don't know. Strong fighter though. Is he still on? Yeah.
There's no way it's a kokanee.
Coming up on the weight. Weight's out of the
Do we
wall.
have another green weight?
Is he still on?
Yeah.
Fucking Kokanee, dude. What a fighter. You're fucking fish in a box. Dude, they're shallow. This is another guy.
Well, that's going to be a wrap for today. Pretty good day overall. Ended up with 3 in the box. We lost 7, which is super weird for us, but kokanee are soft mouth, got on and off, kind of rough.
Making considerably better speed back to the dock than yesterday.
Ski boats are out. Yeah, yesterday we had a mishap with the prop. Today we're cruising.